This week I am testing the BYD Dolphin. This is a fully electric 5-seater hatch. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive, and don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The child seat section of this review is brought to you by Infasecure. In the back of the BYD Dolphin, there are ISOFIX in the two outer rear seats. They are within plastic guides and really nice and easy to connect to. There are top tether anchorages on the back of all three rear seat backs, and they're nice and easy to connect to through the boot. Now, I could surprisingly fit 3 Infasecure child seats in the back here. I have got the Liberty Onyx booster seat in the central seat and the Infasecure Attain More on either side. They just fit in here. It is a bit of a squeeze, but you can get them across. You would need to test any other combination of seat that you wanted to try. Now, legroom is really good in here too. For a car of this size, it's actually excellent. And the floor is nice and flat in the back here, so you've got really good legroom for rear passengers as well. Now, with the forward-facing child seats in the back, we could fit a 186cm driver in front, or with the rear-facing Adapt More capsule, we could fit about a 180cm driver in front. To learn more about the child seats used in this video, just click on the links here. Storage in the back of the BYD Dolphin is very good. There are 2 cup holders in a fold down in the central seat back. They'll hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup, and a child's sippy cup fits in there too. The mat pockets on the back of both front seats are excellent. They'll hold and conceal an iPad, and there's 2 extra pockets there too, which are great for phones or kids' snacks or books. In the back of the central console box is also a cup holder that's really good for a child's drink bottle or water bottle. And the door bins in the back here are good too. They'll hold a refillable water bottle, and there's a storage handle wells too. Storage in the front is good too. There are 2 cup holders in the central console. They'll hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup, but I couldn't actually fit 2 in there at the same time. Behind them is a wireless phone charging pad. And in front of them is a hidden storage area underneath a sliding lid. Now, this central console bridge also has storage underneath, and you could pop your wallet or your iPad in there. Also underneath there is a fantastic glass smashing and window seat slashing device, so if you're in an accident you can get out easily. In front of the cup holders there's also another little shelf which is good for the passenger's mobile phone. The glove box is a good size in here. That will hold an iPad and wallet with the manual, and the door bins are a great size too. They'll hold a refillable water bottle and iPad and wallet, and there's the storage handle wells too. Unfortunately, there are no aircon vents in the back of the BYD Dolphin, so you can't keep your little ones the right temperature while you're driving along. There's some nice styling throughout the BYD Dolphin, and called the Dolphin, there are some sea and wave shaped icons and scalloping on the dashboard. Also, the door handles are a little like dolphin fins, and there's little dolphins on the tyres too. I quite like these little details throughout the car. The BYD Dolphin has this very large central screen with a media system that controls just about everything about the car within it. Within the system settings, you can customise so much about the sound in the car, the guidance volume, voice controls, etc., to exactly how your family likes it. The ADAS screen allows you to turn on and off different driver assist functions, such as driver attention warning or child presence detection, as well as driver safety functions within the vehicle too. The energy screen allows you to keep track of your battery usage and see exactly how much battery range you have used and how much you have left, as well as your charging. Within the vehicle settings screen, you control your lights, mirrors, etc., and your climate controls are here too. I would have preferred them to be more easily accessible while driving, rather than having to go through pages in the media screen. A very cool feature of the BYD Dolphin is you can rotate the screen to your preference, either portrait or landscape, at the press of a button. The screen needs to be in landscape to use Apple CarPlay, so you can access your phone and apps while driving. When you put it into reverse, the camera images are lovely and clear and fill the entire large screen. You can select all the different camera angles along the bottom of the screen, and there is a 3D camera too, so you can see all around the vehicle when parking, which is really useful to check for kids around the car. The Dolphin has a Hey BYD voice function also. Hey BYD, turn the fan speed up to 3.
Okay, I've changed fan speed to 3.
Hey BYD, turn the fan speed down to 1 please.
Got it. Setting fan speed to 1.
The boot section of this review is brought to you by Thule. The boot of the BYD Dolphin opens manually and nice and quietly. Now the boot floor can be dropped down about 10 centimetres, which gives really good extra storage. Let's find out how the Thule prams fit in the boot of the BYD Dolphin. When the boot is empty, it will hold 8 shopping bags. Or the Thule sleek, future-proof, multi-configuration pram with a single seat will fit in the boot of the BYD Dolphin with 3 shopping bags. Or the Thule Urban Glide 2 ultimate all-terrain stroller with the back wheels on fits nicely in the boot with 2 shopping bags. Or the Thule Spring lightweight and one-handed folding stroller fits in the boot of the BYD Dolphin with 4 shopping bags. Or you can fit 1 90-litre and 2 40-litre Thule Chasm duffel bags in the boot, or a small dog. The BYD Dolphin is a really fun, nippy and nimble little car to drive. It'll be great in cities and towns. The turning circle is really nice and tight, which makes it really nice and easily manoeuvrable to park in school and supermarket car parks and places like that. Now, being electric, it's nice and quiet, so you can drive your kids to sleep really nice and easily without churning through fuel, which is great. The visibility out of the back, you can see a tiny bit over those child seats, but not that much. But you've got those fantastic cameras and also the side mirrors too. Prices for the BYD Dolphin start at around $39,000, and that gets you 340 kilometres of battery range. The premium variant gives you 427 kilometres of range at just under $45,000. The BYD Dolphin comes with a 5-star ANCAP safety rating, scoring 89% for adult occupancy and 86% for child occupancy. So to sum up with the BYD Dolphin, it does make a fantastic little family car. You can just fit those 3 Infasecure child seats across the back, and the legroom is really good in here, and with the flat floor in the back as well, it's got excellent foot space for passengers. Now the boot is also really good, easily fitting those taller prams, especially with the drop-down floor. The drive is excellent. It's a really nice, nippy and nimble little car for getting around town. And the media system and cameras are excellent.